everyone.
My name is Tu and
My name is Linh.
we are students of class 10A1 at Phan Bội Châu High School in Kuru District, Đắk Nông Province.
Being born and grew up in Đắk Nông, where it's famous not only for its natural beauty, but also for the culture of ethnic minority communities, I feel really proud when my province is recognized by UNESCO as the place to have the third global geopark in Vietnam in July 2020, just after Đồng Văn Geopark in Hà Giang and Non Nước Cao Bằng Geopark in Cao Bằng.
What's the desire to contribute to promote the image of Đắk Nông Global Geopark to people in Vietnam and around the world, as well as raise the awareness of the community in the conservation of heritage sites.
We have decided to participate in
Exploring Heritage Sites Đắk Nông UNESCO Global Geopark School Year 2024-2025.
As you all know, Đắk Nông Geopark covers an area of 4,760 square kilometers, stretching through the district of Crono, Cư Rút, Đắk Minh, Đắk Song, Đắk Long, and Giang City, with 65 sites of natural heritage, geomorphology, including craters, volcanic caves, and waterfalls.
Possessing one of the most significant volcanic cave systems in Southeast Asia, Đắk Nông Geopark also includes many unique cultural features of 40 ethnic minority groups. This means that, in addition to enjoying stunning landscape, visitors can experience a wealth of cultural diversity and enjoy numerous ethnic minority cuisines and festivals.
So let's come and visit Đắk Nông Geopark, the lands of South, to experience the three travel routes.
The Rhapsody of Fire and Water, the Wind of Trench Sandal, and the Sound of the Earth.
Today, we would like to introduce to you one of the places belonging to the journey, the Rhapsody of Fire and Water. That is Gia Long Waterfall, which is located in Đắk Sò Khăm Miêu, Crono District, Đắk Nông Province. It is an upper waterfall in a system of three waterfalls, Gia Long, Rê Nu, and Rê Sáp of the Serepok River. It is about 13 kilometers from Highway number 14. In the past, people used to have to walk or ride horses to the falls, but today, thanks to the improved and expanded road system, visitors can easily access the fall by bus, car, or motorbike.
In fact, the waterfall is associated with the event that King Bảo Đại came here to visit and was impressed by the majestic and natural beauty. The king named the waterfall Gia Long, the name of a king of the Nguyen dynasty. Since then, the locals are also familiar with this name. Gia Long Waterfall, also known as Rê Sáp Thượng Waterfall, has been recognized as a national historical and cultural landmark since 1999.
While arriving here, you will be amazed at the beauty of Gia Long Waterfall. The Serepok River flows through the old forest and then straight down to the deep sea, creating a majestic waterfall in the middle of the smooth green mountain. The waterfall is about 30 meters high and more than 100 meters wide. The water flows violently with white foams that look like the hair of a sleeping fairy.
Besides, visitors can also admire the typical magmatic geology at Gia Long Waterfall, including many jagged cylindrical blocks that are stuck on top of each other, originating from volcanic eruption millions of years ago.
Downstream of Gia Long Waterfall, the water flows into many beautiful natural lakes, some of which are emerald green and some are dark yellow. In particular, Tam Tiên Lake is the most beautiful lake with charming scenery, surrounded by rocky shore, shady trees, and gentle blue water. It is ideal for visitors to immerse themselves in the cool water.
Moreover, the ecosystem in tourist areas is also extremely rich with many hundreds of years old trees with huge long roots intertwined. The vast canopy of trees that set in the primeval forest is also home to other rare species of plants and wildlife.
Thanks to the advantages of landscape favored by nature, Gia Long Waterfalls become an attractive destination for picnics to explore by both domestic people and international tourists. such as kayaking, camping, bathing, taking photos, or enjoying rice grill in bamboo tooth and hemi-backward hot pot, as well as visiting the still houses of the Ede ethnic group in Buôn Cập.
Therefore, to keep the environment of Gia Long Waterfall fresh and clean, as well as contribute to promote the development tourism potential for Đắk Nông province, each of us can make a small to preserving the natural beauty of this area by its actions such as no littering, no smoking, and no cutting down trees in this area.
Every resident can become a local tour guide by recommending this place to friends and posting beautiful moments after each visit on social networking sites. The local authorities should invest in building facilities in harmony with the natural landscape, so that Gia Long Waterfall is an ideal resort for tourists.
One more time, welcome to Gia Long Waterfall. Don't forget to give us your feedback.
Goodbye and see you again.